Hey,
What?
what's up, boy?
What's up? We have this PlayMobil police.
What you doing?
I'm gonna open it and see what's inside.
What is it? PlayMobil?
Yeah.
Gertie,
It's
do you know that we are live now?
Yeah, but because
Huh?
we're going to story.
Hey, really? We are...
Open.
Sonny, look at me.
What?
We are live on YouTube. Your friends
Yes.
are watching you live now, directly. While you,
I'm gonna open it.
while you are opening your toys. Wow.
Because there's one truck.
Gertie, is this your own room?
Yeah, my own room.
You have a lot of toys, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rubber thing.
Okay, let's your friends.
Oh,
Oh.
my friends. I'm gonna get
Get your friends
what?
will
Real happy. Oh, let's take some new wheels. Guys, I haven't dealt my mommy, but my friend told me not here.
you have a lot of toys, Gertie.
Yeah, I have amazing.
Amazing.
I like my toys.
We have to unbox all of them, yeah?
Oh, boxing, yes.
Okay, great.
I like the Freddy.
What you have now?
Oh, this is so crazy wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Are you kidding me, wheel?
Is this a PlayMobil?
Yes.
Great.
Look it.
Wow.
I like it.
Nice. Okay.
It's so amazing.
You have to mount it.
Yes, but I can.
I'm sure you cannot do it alone.
I'm a little slow.
You need some help from me.
Yes,
I'm not able to assist you because
because you have a camera.
yes, that's true, Sonny.
I like the other pizzeria and other Laura's and the other scary Freddy.
Gertie, you should have a plane. How to mount?
Yeah.
Yeah, believe me.
Believe
Here
in
is.
me.
Here it is. Gertie.
Instructions.
Yes. Open it.
I have to take some wheels. We have to take some wheels because, guys, I know you. In my life, my head is just a crazy. Because my head is hurting, not hurting my head.
What's happened to your head?
Nothing happened.
Yes.
My tone is very good.
Here.
I have to go, but my friend, he's in a doctor. He's very, very sick.
Gertie,
What?
this is a police car.
Yes, the police car.
Your cousin.
The police car, big police car.
Great.
Yes.
Good.
Hey, are you closing? Are you kidding me, Will? I think I can see the wheel, Uncle Will. I can see the, hi Uncle Will. Hi Uncle Will, how you doing? Nice to meet you, little neighbor.
Gertie, open it. Yes, this one.
Ouch. You want to show my teeth?
Yes.
Very, very fixed. It's amazing teeth.
Yes. You fixed all.
I can open it, guys. I'm so strong. We take this. Or you can press in a button. They can be woo, like I'm a scary thing. Like I'm not Freddy. Touch it.
Good.
Hey, there's no batteries. Hey, you throw this wheel and up. Oh, get this wheel. You get it. Oh, my friends, you got everything. So
Oh,
every
Gertie.
What? I'm taking a. Are you kidding me, wheel? This is such a son of a bitch wheel. Okay? Right, guys? Because I should probably in my life Hey, what are you doing? Hey, where's the wheel? Are you kidding me, Daddy?
No.
But you broken all the wheels. And you now let me to fix it. Because are you such a thing?
Gertie,
Are you a toy?
we have
Daddy?
to see this plane.
Instructions.
Instructions.
Yeah. And a Final Vision, I can say. I like Final Vision because I can think actually. In a Final Vision, you can come. I bet I'm all over my friends.
Hey,
What?
what's up, boy?
What's up? We have this PlayMobil police.
What you doing?
I'm gonna open it and see what's inside.
What is it? PlayMobil.
Yeah.
Gertie,
It's
do you know that we are live now?
Yeah, but because
Huh?
we're going to story.
Hey, really? We are.
Open.
Sonny, look at me.
What?
We are live on YouTube. Your friends
Yes.
are watching you live now, directly, while you,
I'm gonna open it.
while you are opening your toys. Wow.
Because there's one truck.
Gertie, is this your own room?
Yeah, my own room.
You have a lot of toys, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rubber thing.
Okay, let's your friends.
Oh,
Oh.
wait, my friends. I'm gonna get it.
Gertie, your friends
What?
will.
Real happy. Oh, let's take some new wheels. Guys, I haven't dealt my money